Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about the VIP exclusive ZkList pass. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And I would like to thank the community for the first 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and hopefully I get it to 1000 subscribers in the coming months or coming years. So once again, thank you for it. So now we are going to talk about the ZkList pass. So ZkList Pass is an exclusive award for those who have made significant contributions on the ZkSync ecosystem. Now, this is a very limited NFT that can be only obtained through ZK24 campaign. So if you have been collecting badges in the past, you are eligible to go ahead and collect this pass over here. So basically this is a unique NFT that cannot be traded or transferred, and the holder is permanently recognized as a member of the ZK list. So basically this is a very VIP NFT, and I would advise this, if you haven't claimed it yet, if you go ahead and claim it. Now ZK list members will be priority members for Hypercomic's ZkSync ecosystem activities going forward. So hopefully we expect a few airdrops here and there from Hypercomic as well going forward. So you get benefits from various areas such as promotions, events, mints, and etc. So ZkList members will be treated to the top priority whitelist benefits. So I think if there is some NFT launch in the future, so this would be like a few good NFTs, then your address would be whitelisted if you own this ZkList pass. And there is also something called as benefits of the Hypercomic IP 3.0 launchpad. Now I'm not sure exactly what is this. I will need to go ahead and check as to what is Hypercomic IP 3.0. And also members will receive special benefits when participating in the IPs through the launch pool. Now there is also something called as mining cubic for Hyco. So ZK Pass holders will receive the same mining boost effective as a POA NFT in the Hypercomic app till 1st of April. And to mint this NFT, the deadline is 8th March. So you have to be very quick. You still have like 9-10 days left in order to mint this NFT. Now in order to mint this NFT, you should have collected these badges over here on the ZK24 hypercomic.io. And if you have more than 7 of these badges over here, then you would be eligible to get this ZkList pass. So all you have to do is, once you have these 7 badges over here, you have to simply click on register and go ahead and claim it. You will be requiring around $2.5 to $3 on an average, which includes the gas fee, in order to collect this ZkList pass. So as you can see, I have already claimed everything, all the badges, and I have also applied for this ZkList. Now I have received this ZkList pass. So if we go in Element Marketplace, so as you can see, I have already received this ZkList pass over here. Now this of course cannot be traded or sold on the Element Marketplace or any other marketplace. This would be exclusive to your wallet. Also in future there might be few airdrops coming over here. So as of now there was this Hyco airdrop which is like sold out, and there is something called as a ZK pass which is coming in the middle of March. So you have to keep an tab on it. Also I would suggest is get this ZK pass which is coming in the middle of the March. So I would advise is go ahead and claim your exclusive VIP ZkList pass today. And this is all for this video, and once again thanking you for the first 100 subscribers. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.